Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia. Please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. And for today's piece, I'm gonna be creating a abstract background digital painting, and this is done on Procreate. So there's nothing to it. I'm just randomly creating different colors. It's very colorful, and of course I create different versions of the same, as you'll see towards the end. It's a time-lapse video. Enjoy the rest of the video. I don't want to talk too much, and let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to comment down below and share. So if you got this far into the video, thanks for watching. Comment down below abstract so then I know that you are watching. And of course I created the same version art with different colors, As you can see, I did say I was going to do different variations. This is what I was talking about. I changed the saturation and this is how it came out, and also decided to do a red version which gave me the vibes of veins in the blood, and I could use that for science, and blue, which is a common color, and purple, my favorite of course. Do remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.